Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In the previous video, I have explained about what is input and in how many ways we can write inputs. Okay. Now, in this video, I am going to tell and explain about what is output and printf function. Okay. So basically, what is this output and printf function? So what and all like will be getting as a output. So once the user runs or executes on the code, something like will be getting on the screen. Okay, that is known as output. Okay, or like whatever like will be printing on particular code will be getting as a output. That is not known as output. Okay, yeah. So let me give a simple example of this output or like printf. Okay, let me just print welcome to Python playlist. Okay, yeah, you guys can see here it's just I'm printing and I'm getting something called output. Okay, yeah. So if I want, I can print in a two lines of print so that it will be separate. Hi, this is not necessary. Yeah, you guys can see the output, right? This is how like output will be visible. Yeah, so like there are some keyword arguments are available in print functions. Okay, there are many arguments available, but this separate and in is a very important, and these two are asked in interview also. Okay, yeah, let me explain one by one. Okay, let me go with the first one, that is set. That is nothing but separate. So basically separate is nothing but this is used to separate the things or write the space in between. For example, let me take the example like there will be like five lines, like there is a single line of sentence is available with a comma. Okay, and everything after the comma will be writing in the next line. Okay, or like in between the commas we can write anything whatever we want, like minus, star, or like we can write our own name also. Let me give an example so that you guys can easily understand it. Okay, just I will print hello. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, okay. So now just after writing this sentence, just I will write sep. Okay, sep is equal to, yeah. So now if I write minus, you guys can see the output how it will be. See, there is a space in between the space, it shows as minus. And star, you guys can see star. And also you can write anything you want, you can write god. Okay, you guys can see the god here in between. And if I want to write in the next line slash n, the next line you guys can see slash n, it comes hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, and slash t, it shows the space, you guys can see space. Okay, so this is how the separator will be used. Okay, yeah. So now coming to end. So end is nothing but it's an opposite to sep. How, like there are like two lines of code. Okay, that two lines should be print in single line. At that particular time we'll be using this end. Okay, end argument. Let me give an example so that you guys can understand. Okay, yeah. So just I will print hello. Now uh, I will print welcome to my channel. Okay, yeah. So now just I need to add these two lines into single line, so that comma end is equal to, just I'm going to write this, that's all. Now you guys can see the output as hello welcome to my channel. This on output we got. So this is how this set and end arguments will be used. So these are key arguments. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys can got the like exact what is output and sep and end keyword arguments. Okay, yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you.